Greetings. Whenever you want to reinstall Windows, create a bootable USB stick, or fix your Windows installation, the Windows 10 ISO file is needed. In this video, I will show you how to directly download the Windows 10 disk image ISO file. The official way to download Windows 10 ISO is by using the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. I quickly demo that for you. Later in the video, you will learn how to get the Windows ISO immediately. First, open your favorite search engine and search for Windows ISO Download Official. Scroll down. Hit Download tool now. Save file. Wait for the download to finish. Run the Media Creation tool. Accept the license agreement. Select Create Installation Media. Click Next. Select the language, edition, and architecture. Click Next. Now select ISO file and press Next. Change the name of the file and the location if you want. Windows will download the ISO file. This will take some time depending on your internet service provider. I'm located in Germany, therefore I need to wait a little bit longer. Press the Finish button. Mission accomplished. I promised I'll show you a better way to directly download the ISO file. Go to the Firefox add-ons page. In case you are not familiar with Mozilla Firefox add-ons, I made a video showcasing 3 essential add-ons. Check that out. In the search bar, look up User Agent Switcher. Press Add to Firefox to install the extension. Confirm the last dialog. Navigate again to the Windows download site. Click on Agent Switcher and select another operating system. I choose Android phone. Press F5 to refresh the website. The website thinks I'm on Android. Now I can download the ISO file directly. Select Windows the 10th of October 2020 update. Hit Confirm. Choose a language. Confirm again. In the last step, select 64-bit download. Press OK to save the file. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. See you next time.